How to turn off group media visibility on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off group media visibility on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click on your group and click on group profile here in the top, and then just click this one, media visibility, click on it and click this one, no, and okay, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn off media visibility. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.